everybody, it's Little C here, and today we are with Mr. C making snow globes.
Snow globe, let's shake it up.
Ah!
Everyone, it's science time. Yes, yeah, best believe. Explore and learn new things. Here with Mr. C. It's science time. Every day. We know it's awesome. We know it's great. It's science time. So here we go together. Now enjoy.
That's what it's gonna feel like when we shake the snow globe. Here we are today. We're gonna make snow globes. It's a fun little craft you can do at home. Plus, there's a little science involved. So let's get started. For our snow globes here today, we grabbed some containers and some things that we had laying around the house. We have our little mason jars. I think we picked these up at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. It was like $1. So for $1, we have that going. We have some water that we're going to be using here in just a second.
We have some glycerin.
And then we also have some glitter that we're going to throw into the water to get the sparkly effect. And then if you have little things or trinkets at home that you're allowed to put inside of your snow globe, say your mom and dad say it's okay. We have these little Christmas trees. We should actually pick these up. I think it was like $1 or $1.50 for these two, and it was like $1 or $1.50 for that guy. And then I'm actually going to use a Lego tree and my Lego guy that I attached to the tree. I'm going to actually super glue him as well so that he stays there forever, nice and long. So let's get started.
Super glue too.
Oh, super glue. Super duper glue. Super. It's going to be a super experiment. All right, so.
We first need to glue the things on to the lid.
All right, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take off the lid. And these mason jars have two parts.
So you need to use this part first. Well, I mean, I guess you can put it in there so that you don't go over. But it doesn't matter.
And then you're going to take whatever you want and you're going to glue it on here. Now, super glue is lots of fun as long as you don't get it stuck to your skin.
Definitely didn't do that.
I got this at the dollar store. I think we got 5 tubes for $1. So I'm going to glue this. You're going to use this one since it's open.
I'm remembering all the times I've glued this.
I'm going to put it smack in the middle. Oh, hold on. I got to glue my little guy.
I keep remembering all the times I glued myself to something with super glue.
Yeah, the worst is when you get your hands stuck to the super glue and it just does not want to come out. All right, so I'm going to let that dry.
I did find one way of getting it off. You have to shake it off.
So here we have it. Super easy, super fun. So I'm going to turn you might be able to see it. I've got the little Lego guy's head. He's turning like, oh my gosh, he's going to be in a snowstorm.
Can you pull that down?
Ah, I can do that.
Then we can let those dry and we can turn our liquid. So the thicker you want it, the more glycerin you're going to have, okay?
All right, so first let's put water in here. Let's talk about this. So if we add water to our jars, obviously 1 cup is totally not enough.
I can fill it up.
Like I said.
I can fill it up again.
Perfect. All right, so while she gets more water for her jar,
You need more water?
my jar is nice and full.
Wait, how'd you do that? Oh, you took my glitter. You took my water. It's okay. You don't need that much water. I mean, how thick do you want your?
I'm gonna try it like this. We'll see what happens. So while she's pouring the water in, if you put the glitter in the water, it's going to float in it for a second. It's gonna either drop to the bottom rapidly or it's gonna get stuck on the top. And we expect that to happen. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a squirt of the Soap Expressions glycerin into this.
Which we got at Michael's.
And we're not gonna really measure this. We're just gonna drop some in.
Yeah.
See what it does.
Wait. So when you put your, but when you put your, you have to think of it as when you're dipping in your item, your thing. You don't want to fill it up all the way because it'll overspill, but you don't want to fill it up not enough.
Okay, so what she's saying in science terms is when we put this in here, this stuff is gonna displace water because this has volume.
Mm-hmm.
So when I put that in theory,
Put it in real quick.
think it's dry enough? Yeah.
No.
All right, so
Seriously,
it works really cool. Oh, that looks awesome.
Looks like he's
It looks like it's hanging upside down. That might be a cool thing to keep just like that. All right, so let's
You
get.
should turn its head so that it's like facing that way instead of up. So then.
I'm just gonna leave him alone because I don't want to break him.
Woo!
So now we're gonna take some glycerin, and what this does is it.
It's so thick.
Oh snap! That's probably too much, isn't it?
But you still gotta fill it up.
Fill it up with what?
No.
More water?
No, either that or more glycerin.
More glycerin?
I'm making mine thick.
So the thicker you make it, the longer and slower the snow will be suspended in the water. Wowzers. All right, so I'm gonna go with.
There's the lid.
I'm gonna go with light blue.
And I want to go. Wait, we need to. I guess you don't have to shake this up first.
And then another thing,
I'm gonna put
if
black.
you're working with glitter, do it somewhere you can clean it up in the kitchen. Don't do it on your carpet. It's a mess. Oh, that's a lot. That's a
You
lot.
need a lot. This is a big container.
This is a really big container.
Okay, that is plenty. I'm gonna put black and silver.
Black and silver.
And maybe a little gold. Not that much.
I'm gonna put a little dark blue.
Don't put a lot.
I'm not.
You already put all. Stop. I just saw you shake your head. I just saw you shake your head. You had a little. I know you well enough. I know you.
So while we're getting these ready to go, these are actually really fun things to do all during the winter. I know snow globes are associated with holiday things, but snow globes are really fun. And you get really creative. You can take pictures of yourself, pictures of your family, laminate them, put them in. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at them.
Now you gotta shake it up.
That's so cool.
I'm not risking that. So what I'm seeing is glitter is a whole lot less dense than water.
All right, so right now all of our glycerin is still on the bottom.
See, we should have shaken it up.
We should have shaken it up a little bit. So we're
My
gonna do that.
spoon is glittery.
I don't know if you can see it, but that is so cool. Here we go, I'm gonna shake it. I hope it's sealed.
Oh, I think you put too much glitter.
No, that's awesome.
Okay, I'm doing that. I don't care. Look how much glitter was on
It's a snowstorm!
How much glitter was just on
Try yours like that. You can always add more. You can always add more glitter, so if you don't want to go crazy with it, don't. I think it's gonna get all caught in that tree. Oh,
Yes,
I barely made it.
barely. Where's the lid?
So another cool thing to do is mess around with different types of jars.
Yeah.
Smaller jars, bubble jars, like round ones that look like snow
Oh god,
globes.
it's not.
It's not sealed.
This is very heavy for me.
Let me shake it.
Oh, look at that on the glycerin.
Oh, that looks really pretty.
I can't show that.
I think I put too much in.
You think?
I think.
That looks cool.
All right, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Hope you make a snow globe. If so, post below. Let us know how it went. Thumbs up if you like stuff like this.